Hello everyone, I'm Tom.
And I'm Kate.
And we are the Mortons on the Move. Oh, it's been quite a while since we've talked to you guys, and today we have a lot of updates. We have had some really exciting things happen. We've got some exciting news, but we've also got some really sad news.
We'll get the sad news out of the way first. It's very difficult for us to talk about it, so we'll try to keep it short. In May, we lost our dog Mocha. We have been traveling with our dogs Mocha and Bella since the very beginning in September of 2015. And in May, Mocha passed away due to cancer after several months of battling with that. So that has been one of the reasons why we haven't been quite as active on YouTube. Her loss has been really tough on us, and I'm gonna try and make it through this update without crying. But, you know, she was a great dog. She was 15. She had a full, long life, and she swam in the Arctic Ocean. You know, she
swam in all the oceans, coast to coast to coast. She was with us 15 years, and she was,
since a puppy,
just an absolutely fantastic traveling companion, and she's going to be very sorely missed from our family. That
was kind of a major downer for us so far this year.
Yeah. We have still been traveling. We traveled extensively over the past year, filming and working on not only some videos and filming for the RVers, which premiered season 2 earlier this year.
Season 3.
Oh my gosh.
That's so many seasons, we can't keep track of them.
Season 3 earlier this year premiered on the Discovery Channel. We're very proud of that accomplishment.
Absolutely.
We're gonna put a link in the description below for you to learn more about the RVers and how to watch it.
Yep, it's the best season that we've rolled out so far. The production team did a great job pulling it all together. We're really excited for you guys to see it. So check out the link below to find out how to watch season 3, and then we are going to be filming season 4 with our co-hosts John and Peter of the RV Geeks and our producer Anthony Nally and his wife this year. So we're really excited about the things that we have in store for season 4 already.
In addition to filming for the RVers, we shifted a lot of our focus from the YouTube channel to our website over the past year. And we now produce 2 pieces of content most every day that are educational topics about RVing over on the website. We're very proud of what we've done over there. We can produce a lot more content in the written form and educate a lot of people. So we really hope that you can head over to mortonsonthemove.com, sign up for our newsletter. We send out a daily newsletter every Sunday. We also have an RV comic that we send out.
That Tom's sister draws, and she's an amazing artist. So those are always really fun for us as well.
Yes, indeed. So we hope that you head over to mortonsonthemove.com, sign up, and read some of the content that we're putting out over there.
That brings us to probably our biggest piece of news, which you might kind of see behind us here.
Yes, and the reason that we are back on YouTube, and we will be sharing more content with you guys in the coming weeks and months. We
bought a truck camper! So we just thought of one more thing that we should tell you about before we show you this beast, and that is about our New Zealand series.
Yes, we traveled to New Zealand at the beginning of COVID.
Last year, last March.
We filmed a lot while we were over there.
Some of it shows up in season 3 of the RVers.
It does.
Another reason to check that out.
COVID plus everything we just told you about has delayed a lot of the production of that. However, we are working on it. The first episode's actually done. Yes, we're withholding it from you. We want to have the season done before we release it. We are still working on it. Bear with us. It'll come out at some point, but we got a lot going on and we need to share that with you.
Yes.
So check this thing out.
Thanks for being patient. Now to this.
It's a beast. So this is our latest project that we are very excited about. We are working on building a very large Overland off-road truck camper.
Yes, and so we are guessing that you probably have lots of questions, and we're going to be making a series of videos talking about the truck and everything that it has going on and the camper and everything that it's gonna have going on. But we just wanted to make this video to real quick update you to the fact that we just have this, because that in itself was a bit of a story.
Yes, this is a Ram 5500 truck. Yes, it's bigger than a 1-ton, and as you can see, it's got some very special modifications made to it. This truck came from Alaska. I made a trek from Florida to Washington to pick it up on a ferry.
Yeah, it rode the ferry down from Alaska, Kodiak Island. It was on the ferry for a week, and Tom met it in Washington. Then drove down to California to pick up the truck camper, where we got that, and then drove it all the way across the country back to Florida, where I was with the fifth wheel.
We then eventually made the trek from Florida to Michigan. Kate drove this beast. I drove the fifth wheel, where we are currently located in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. So we're very excited about it. We're gonna be doing a video all about the truck and what it's got going on, the truck camper, what it's got going on. Like Caitlin said, we have additional modifications to make to all of this, however, so we're gonna bring you along with making some of those modifications, the upgrades that we're gonna make to it, so that this can be a significantly off-grid, off-road capable machine.
Yes, and we'll be filling you in on why the heck we went with something so big and what our plans are. We're pretty excited about it.
We are pretty excited about it. We have some big travel plans that we are going to be taking this truck camper on, and of course, filming adventure content along the way. So we're super excited to bring you along on whatever adventures this thing holds in store for us.
We missed the truck camper from our Alaska trip so much that we knew something like this was definitely in our future, and we're so happy to have this set up and be planning these new adventures. So stick with us and we'll bring you along with us. So because you probably have questions, we did create some articles over on our website to kind of fill you in on the 5500 and Bigfoot campers in case you aren't familiar with either of those. We will link to those in the description below.
We also have an article about why you might go with such a large truck, so go ahead and check that out as well. But stay tuned here on YouTube. We're gonna be sharing lots more about everything going on in the coming weeks and months.
We appreciate your patience and hanging around here, and we will talk to you guys next time.
All right, bye everyone.